What is going on with my stream, bro? Oh my god. Yeah, I have to use Streamlabs. I have to use Streamlabs because OBS is messing up. OBS keeps messing up, bro. I know, I don't know what the problem is. All right. All right. All right. Hopefully we're all right now. Bring this down a little bit. I want to get my face in here more. There we go. I'm not dropping any frames now, so hopefully we're okay. Okay, look at Paribus. Paribus is on the move. Paribus is on the move, baby. Let's go. Let me open up my KuCoin on my phone. Nice, nice. All right, let's take a look at library credit token. Coinx.com. All right, back up to 303. It's a good start. Bumbacrat. Wagwan. There we go. All right. And we got the XR pizzles right here. Cyber attack incoming. Incoming cyber attack. I want to see how this guy does this. I have no idea what he's doing, but I want to see this.
तोड़ दे भैन चो
What is this? What is this? I mean, this is street food in Pakistan. But I don't know what he just made into like a patty real quick. It was like a powder. And then he soaked egg. Of course, bare hands. Nobody has time to wash their hands. Come on now. We'll just put that down there. We'll use that egg again later. Some poor kid that's been missing for a few days, right? In the background over there. Everybody's watching, including us. Oh, you gotta have mayonnaise, man. Gotta have mayonnaise. Yo, that is great. Dead Game Boxing, gotta be high to watch this. What's up, bro? AR, what is up, man? Rye guy. I know, right? Krusty burger with mayo, the Krusty Krab. Muck. Oh, stop, bro. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at the last 12 hours. Look at this for Paribus. For those of you who don't remember Paribus, let's go to their website real quick. Paribus, building for Cardano. Invest in DeFi, redefine your yield, a cross-chain borrowing and lending protocol for NFTs, liquidity positions, synthetic assets, building for the Cardano blockchain. Interoperable value leveraged. Wow. As DeFi moves forward, innovators are uncovering transformational ways to store and represent value on chain. Paribus' mission is to unlock the true potential of these assets, evolving them into interoperable financial instruments capable of being used within DeFi protocols on any chain. Check it out. That's what Paribus is. That's what we're investing in here. That's what I'm investing in. Look at this movement. We just went up to almost 1.5 cents, like 0.013. Beautiful. I'm waiting to see if we're going to get some nice kick up. We're going to get some nice move back to the upside. That's going to be beautiful. There we go. XLM, chilling. We don't need this anymore. XRP. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Look at it working its way up slowly. Then you get a drop, and then you get the explosion. I cannot wait to see if we get the explosion, man. That's what I'm waiting for. And Bitcoin. Bitcoins. Here we are. Oh, I want to take a look. Let's take a XRP Bandit. What is up, man? Krusty Burger run by him. Mr. Krabs and Bikini Bottom. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Bandit. What is up, bro? Let's go to Bit4x and check out Ecomi token. Man, I wanted to get some OMI token too, but I don't want to move any position I have currently, and I don't have any fresh cash to do anything, so I'm going to hold my positions of what I currently have. So, current position, 9100 XRP, 10,004 XLM Stellar Lubins, 10,000 XDC tokens, 20,597 Blocktopia tokens, 8,628 LBC tokens or library credit tokens, which is this one. 23,077 Paribus tokens, which is right here, PBX. 82,273 legacy tokens. And last but not least, 129 billion Doge GF tokens. That's what is currently in the kitty. That's what's currently in the portfolios. Okie dokie smoky. Take a quick look at the Doge GF. This is on the daily. If this thing does anything insane, we could possibly end. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what is going on with this project. I really don't. But when I cashed out for When I cashed out and made thousands of dollars, I left $100 worth in because you never know. I would never invest again into that. Do you leave them on an exchange or are they in wallets? Okay. So let's talk about this. Number one, XRP and XLM. XRP and XLM are here in my Nano Ledger S. This is where my XLM Stellar Lumens and my XRP tokens are, or coins are. Okay. Next, in my Descent wallet is where my Blocktopia tokens are and my XDC tokens. Okay. Next, LBC is on coinex.com right here. I keep it because I don't know where to send it. So I do keep LBC on an exchange. Paribus tokens, I do keep on KuCoin exchange. Okay. So my Paribus tokens are sitting on KuCoin. Doge GF tokens are sitting in my MetaMask wallet. And last but not least, Legacy. My Legacy tokens are sitting on the BitTrue exchange. Okay, this is where my Legacy tokens are. Only because I don't want to pay the fee to move it into a wallet. They want ridiculous fees. So that's it. But the major ones are on my Nano Ledger S. That's where I keep XRP and XLM. Everything else is in a wallet, and only 3 of them are on the exchanges still. Because I thought I was just going to make some fast money and then move them back into XRP or XLM. Or I want to build up my Blocktopia tokens as well. But at these current prices, I had to hold at least around 100,000 Legacy tokens. So 82,000 Legacy tokens is good enough for me right now. Val is on Spaces right now on Twitter. For Goddess Val. Wait, what? Stop, bro. What are you talking about? No way, bro. Let me see. I can't. He must have me blocked on Twitter because I can't see him. He's got me blocked on Instagram and Twitter. Yeah, he blocked me because I disagreed with him a while back. People are so petty, bro. But yeah, I hope that answers your question, Dead Game Boxing. Hope that answers your question, bro. Let's log into KuCoin real quick. Let me log in. All right, here we are. So I will show you the assets that I hold. This is KuCoin. And this is where I hold my 23,077 Paribus tokens. No worries, I just leave it here. It doesn't really bother me to leave it here. My main investments are safe on the Nano Ledger S, hopefully. I'm pretty sure they are. That's where my main tokens are. And BitTrue is where I hold the Legacy tokens. All right, let's pull up Block. Here we go. Here's Blocktopia. Let me show you guys something real quick. All right, so back when this thing was right here at like 4 cents, I bought a ton of Blocktopia. Then it went all the way up to 18 cents. I cashed some out here. Then it came down and back up to 15 cents. And that's where I cashed out the rest of my tokens. So I made all that profit, right? Now, since it's came down to a penny and a half to 2 pennies, this is where I reaccumulate. So I took all my profits, which was a 4x on my money. And now I reinvested, which gives me more block tokens at a cheaper price. And now we're waiting to see if it goes on an ultimate run, or what you would call a super cycle. All right. So that's what's currently going on. I made 4x on my money in Blocktopia, and now I reinvested to see if we can make even more money. I bought a bunch down here at 1.5 cents or 1.8. Now we're up here, so I'm definitely up money, but I'm waiting for a bigger run because I'm never going to cash out with just 1 times my money, right? I'm not going to take profits until we're up quite a bit. At least a 4x, at least a 4 or 5x before I start taking profits. This is the investing game. Whenever you're looking at the cash flow quadrant, right? Actually, why am I using that? Here's the cash flow quadrant, ladies and gentlemen. You ready? Here's the cash flow quadrant. You have the B, E, S, and I of the cash flow quadrant. And you have to figure out which one are you. Are you an employee? Do you own a business? Are you an investor? And my favorite one, the one that generates a lot of money and wealth, is the I. This is the rare column. The I column is the rare column of the money making, because you need money to be in this column. Or my favorite part is you need other people's money, OPM. Or you take out loans, which is still other people's money, and you invest with them. You create debt to invest, which is called good debt. Anytime you create debt for a pretty solid investment, I call good debt. So if you go take out a $10,000 loan to invest in a pretty solid project, that's good debt. Take out 10,000. I mean, it doesn't matter what they charge you. What, 4%? You're going to pay $400, you know, or whatever 4% is. 10% would be $1,000. So yeah, $400 is what you pay on a 10K loan. If it's 4%, I don't care if it's 10%. Pay $1,000 on a 10K loan, because if you make 5 times your money, well, you make $50,000. If you're paying $11,000 back, you just made $39,000. So the I column is my favorite column to be in. I've did this column, which is the B column, own your own business. I've done this column. I've been an employee. All right. The S column is like owning a company and running a company, but the I column is my favorite column of the cash flow quadrant. Investing. That is my favorite. Since I learned, let me get purple up here because that's what Blocktopia is, purple. Since I've learned that you can make more money with money than working for money, my life has changed. My life has totally changed when I realized that you can make more money with money than working for money. This new asset class of blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, digital assets, whatever you want to call it, this new asset class has a technology that is going to revolutionize the world when it comes to money. Television is cool. Internet is cool. information, socializing, all easy stuff at the touch of a finger. But what is not so easy is money, moving money. That is all starting to change since cryptocurrency came along. Now, some cryptocurrencies are using this opportunity as money for their projects. So instead of going into the stock market or creating an IPO, they're creating a cryptocurrency because there's more money in cryptocurrency. So their currency, their cryptocurrency, is not really a currency. They just needed an investment into their project. So they created one. They needed money. Some people are creating cryptocurrencies just to get money off people, and then they're going to rug pull. But some of these projects are going to change the world. Yes, S is self-employed. You're right. It is self-employed. So utility and use case, very important. When it all comes down to the I column, my favorite column is investing, because you find a decent project, and no matter what it takes to get money, whether if you have to work for it, borrow it, whatever it takes, you invest in this new class, this new asset class, in this special time that only comes around usually every 4 years, but is different now because of everything that is happening. And there's proof that it is different. Some people are like, well, people said it was different in the past, but there are signs that it is actually different this time. It is actually different. Bitcoin has went down to the 50 EMA and has came back up. That has never happened before. That has never happened before in the history of a bull market, and it is happening. Go on the daily. Just take a look. Take a look. Look at this. Bitcoin crossed under. And in the past, it's never happened to where it's came back up. It's coming back up again. Look at the last bull run in 2017, 2018. Look at this. Once it crossed the 50 EMA, that was it. It never came back up again. That was the bear market. But look now. It crossed the 50 EMA. It came back up. It made a new high. It's coming back up again. This has never happened before. Never. It has never happened before. Look. Look. Look at the 2013, 2014. Look at this. It crossed under, never made a new high, and that was it. Bear market. Once it crossed the 50 EMA during the bull run. You see that? And this is what I want to show you too from the 2013, 2014 bull run for Bitcoin. Look at this run up right here back in April, before the actual bull run from 13 to 14 right here. See that? This right here, and then this. I want to show you something. Do you see this little move? Do you see this little move here? Do you see this move here? I believe that this, do you see this move right here that went up to 60,000 and then up to 70,000, 69,000? I believe this right here is this. I think we still have to do this. This little one is this. And I think we still have to do this. Imagine what that would look like. Oh my God. So yeah, when I figured out that money can make more money than working for money, life changed for me. Life changed for me. My entire life changed. I stopped gambling. I was a very good poker player. I stopped playing poker because I really could care less. I only did it to make money. I didn't do it for fun. I did it to make money. I stopped gambling. I stopped drinking. I stopped everything. All the bad stuff. I quit it. Stopped drugs, went to rehab, got my life together when I found cryptocurrency. And then I started doing this live streaming on my gaming channel. I turned it into a crypto channel. A lot of you already know this. Some of you don't. Because I saw the light. And I was very excited where this was going to be taking me. And I have been fighting so hard to get as much money invested before the super cycle as humanly possible. I have put so much money into cryptocurrency. My wife and I, we struggle just to invest more. Just to invest more, we struggle. Because we would rather have it here than anywhere else. And I cannot wait for it to play out. I really can't. And I know you guys can't either. I know you guys cannot wait either. Because when it happens, it is going to be absolutely insane. That's it. That's my little piece that I wanted to share with you guys. Crypto Cannabis Channel. What is up, bro? Dank Dave, what is up, bro? You trying to do a video call right now, bruv? A proper video call, bruv. Proper, bruv. Oh, wait, hold on. Menu settings. Hold on. Settings. Link devices. Link a device. Okay. I had to link chats. There we go. I got your number, bro. Let me know. I will call you right now, bro. Oh, shit. What the hell did I just do? I do not know what I just did. Sugar cookies. All right, there we go. Let's go. Hey. Let's go, bro. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Hold on a sec. How do I get this to... Hold on. Oh, no. Oh, no. Hold on. Shit. Oh, I know what to do. I know what to do.
You good?
Hold on, bro. Can you hear me, bro?
Yeah, mate. What's happening?
Hey, what's up, bro? I just don't know why my camera's not working. Hey,
Don't know, mate. It says JD turned his camera off.
I know, I know. It says it's being used by another app, but I don't know what other app is using it. Because my OBS is not using it. My OBS, hold on. Let me get rid of this source. Let me get rid of this one. Getting rid of that. And I'm getting rid of that.
I can see you on my telly anyway. It's just a little bit delayed. Oh, there you are.
Hey, boom. Let's go. What's up, bro?
Not a lot, mate. What are you saying?
I know everybody is excited to have you on, bro. They always ask me, bro. I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling, you know. I got my daughter over. I haven't seen her in over a year. She's at my
Oh,
house.
fucking hell.
I'm very
Wow, nice.
excited. We've been, you know, hanging out last couple days. Very happy to have her here,
Yeah,
man. Breaking my heart not being able to see her for so long,
yeah, I bet, mate. I bet.
you know. Hey, now, all right, everyone says they can see us both now. So how's life for
Yeah,
Dank
that's it.
Dave?
Shit, in a minute, bro. I split my tooth, bro. Fucking, I'm in agony.
Oh my god. You got
Pain,
some
mate.
hydrocodones or something?
That's exactly what I got.
Good, good. Yeah, you gotta have those, man. Whenever you got tooth
Yeah,
pain,
man.
bro, it's the worst.
Proper.
Yes,
So I'm
proper.
just chilling at my mum's house, man, in the spare room, having a smoke.
Nice, man. Nothing wrong with that.
trying, trying to
How's
smoke the pain away, mate.
how's John the Joint doing?
Yeah, he's all good, mate. He's all good.
Uh-huh. Nice. So, did you think about what I said last time about just you and John the Joint doing the podcast together?
Yeah, man. We are gonna do it. We are definitely gonna do it. Carry on doing it. It's just it's a bit hard at the minute because John's gone back to work. And
Uh-huh.
he's got some unsociable hours at the minute, but his job's coming to an end soon, so he'll be back on normal times. We keep missing each other, so you know, it's just yeah, it is what it is, sort of thing
Yeah.
for now. But yeah,
Okay.
mate, we was concentrating on the guests more, but only really for the viewers because I've got some big names from the UK that are waiting to come on, but we're just having one problem after another at the minute.
Okay. That's cool. I'm always
But yeah,
down.
mate,
You can have me on, bro. It'll be a Zoom.
yeah. Yeah, do you know what? We should do that actually, do Zoom. I downloaded Zoom the other day for that fucking chronic token or whatever it is.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Yeah, I was just looking through the XR Kush that you sent me, that NFT.
Oh yeah, I need to send that to you properly, you know, bro. I
That
need to
would be
send that to you
cool.
on.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they are. I right. So basically, I've got 28 of them. I only
Uh-huh.
released 7 of them, but yeah, I've only released 7 of them, but
I
I
just want
haven't
to
even
show
started.
everybody.
Um, but yeah, man, I ain't really started putting them out there yet. So they're not on my YouTube. They're not on my Instagram.
Oh,
They're not on nothing.
I shouldn't have showed that.
No, that's fine. They're on Twitter. They're on
Okay.
Twitter. I gave my Twitter followers first dibs because that's where the XR Doge people are at. But they're sleeping on it, man. Only 2 people have bought out of 7. So, but yeah. Wait. As soon as they're done, wait till you see the big guest that we got on, right? And then they will shoot up in value because with one of them cards, you'll be able to come on to the show, or not necessarily on the show, but you'll be able to come and meet the guests and have a smoke with the guests. So
That's
for
really
the UK,
cool.
it's going to boost the price up.
That's really cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
Imagine someone you've already always looked up to, or you know they're a big deal, and you got one of these just from chilling home and you bought it, and now you can actually use it and go chill with someone you've always thought was a big deal. That's pretty cool.
That's it, man. That's it.
Yeah, I like that, man. You always got these little ideas. You always got something you're working on, man. I love it.
Yeah, I wanted to create it, but then I thought, how can I give it some sort of utility of some kind? You know, it needs to, because let's face it, it's just a picture of a bit of weed that I made. Do you know what I mean?
Right.
So
But
that's
it's pretty
the bottom
cool.
line of it.
It's cool
That's it.
though, and it's
But
got the thing behind it.
that's it. But just to stop people just from right clicking them and just like, oh yeah, look, I've got it. Obviously, you come to me with proof that you've got it, and you can come and have a smoke with a guest or something, mate.
Of
Or,
course.
and also as well, I've actually created another channel that I haven't uploaded on yet, just called Dank Dave UK. And John's done the same, and we've got quite a few good videos coming. They're going to be like road trips, that sort of stuff. Ain't going to be crypto or podcast. It's just going to be us going on mad ones.
That's
Like
cool.
on my last channel, we broke into an abandoned prison, and that was, you know what I mean, shit like that.
This is what you're gonna be using on your road trips. Your
Not
vlogging.
even, man. Just going to use the phone, mate. I for the podcast, I bought 3 really expensive cameras for the first one, right? And then I realised that I could get these Chinese phones. I can't remember what they're called. They're quite popular in the UK, but they're only cheap. They're like £200-300 each, and they're 4K, unlimited recording time. They just, yeah, they're nuts, mate. And they look
Uh-huh.
so much better than a little, yeah. The battery lasts better on them, so yeah, we'll be using them, man. Gonna have cameramen.
Yeah, that's gonna be dope.
It should be good, man. It should
So
be good.
so you guys broke into a prison?
Yeah, so there's an old abandoned prison in
I
Dover,
couldn't wait to
right? And
get out of prison. You're breaking into prison.
yeah, man. But do you know what? I think it's being used for some other stuff, bruv. Some booky stuff. I'm
Oh,
telling you, man.
what's it being
Yeah,
used for?
I don't know, mate. Some sort of government shit, maybe. But mate, we got chased out of there, chased off the land, like by gypsies, and fucking yeah, bro. It was quite a madness, man.
That's wild. That's wild. So
Yeah, bro.
Dank
It
Dave's
was
got a
proper.
toothache. He's chilling at mom's right now. What are you doing the rest of the day?
I
Or am
see
I
my
looking at
daughter.
it?
She come. That's pretty much it. My daughter come round for dinner.
Oh, nice.
Uh, yeah, man. That was pretty much it.
Do you
She don't say
watch
much to me anymore.
do you watch Netflix?
Mm.
No.
I do. I do when I'm in the mood, man. I kind of just don't have time, bruv.
Because there's a
And
show
if I do get
called
time,
Top Boy.
oh yeah, 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 yeah. I know Top Boy.
Yeah.
I know,
That
bro. I know half the people in it. That's filmed like pretty much in my area. That is where I'm from. I'm from that area, brother. It's
Summer
all
House?
filmed in. Well, no, that's literally 15 minutes on a bus. It's like East London, Madden Park, and that. Yeah, bro. It's not far.
So this was based on a true story.
What Top Boy? I can imagine. I haven't watched it properly. I haven't watched the new series properly, anyway. But at least 2 of them people from Top Boy will be coming on the podcast. At least 2 of them. That's what I
Well,
mean, man.
that is wild. I
So I'm
will be
saying I grew up around
watching
all these
that.
people, bro. This is when the NFTs and that are going to go up in value, bro. When they start seeing, because to people, they're like seeing these new people on the screen, and I'm like, bro, I know that guy from 10 years ago. Oh, I know him from there. I know him from Weed. I know him from there. And the music, like Kano, the rappers, and they're all very local, man.
Wow,
I've
that's
rubbed,
wild.
I've rubbed shoulders with a lot of them, but
Yeah,
that
I
is pretty
can.
much what it's like in my area, though. That's a pretty good. It's pretty realistic,
Okay, okay. Yeah, because they
but as you
got
can see, it's a
the
shithole.
the character they used on there was Deshane Hill. Sully was his right hand, and then Jack, the
Yeah,
girl that likes girls, Jack with the braids, and then you had the two detectives that were undercover fiends for like a year, undercover drug addicts. It's crazy
okay.
stuff, man. We watched it in like 2 3 days. We watched both seasons.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think ain't there 3 seasons technically, isn't there? You had the first season, and then didn't Drake come along and revamp it up?
Yes, I
If
heard
I
there's a
remember
third
rightly.
season, but I haven't seen it.
Oh, see, I thought this season was the third season technically. Because I thought there was a first season, and then they
So
brought out the new first season, and then now this is the new second season since they've revamped it. Is this not the second season as Drake?
let me show you. I haven't seen Drake in anything.
No, no, he's not in it. He's the producer. He's the one that funds it all, and
All
not the
right.
producer, the funder.
So let
The
me
funder. I
show
don't know
you.
what the word is.
We got Top Boy. There's season 1 and season 2 on Netflix right now. If there's another season that they haven't shown yet, all I know is what Netflix has. It has season 1 and then it has let me see.
Does it say the date of season 1? Does it say what year?
Let me see. No, it doesn't. Because there's one from
Okay.
2011, I think. There's one that has like 4 episodes from 2011, but it's not a part of this. This is
Yeah,
something
that's the
that.
one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was on about. Yeah, yeah, that's what I meant by free. Yeah, so there was that first one, and then it went dead for years, and then
Okay.
Drake come along, and then he made it happen again.
Okay, yeah, because
Yeah.
2022 has the 1 and 2, and maybe they just haven't put. Someone did say the third is out. I think one of my subscribers told me that they were watching season 3, and I was like, wait, I haven't seen it. Where is it? I want to see it.
No, I think they mean season 2 on there, because like if you're English, I think you'd definitely say that was season 3. I'm not sure. It depends how
Okay.
you look at it, really. It depends how
Okay.
old you are and all.
Right. Right.
So obviously the
Oh,
first one was like 11 years ago, wasn't it?
I gotta show off my coffee cup. You see this cup? This is made 50% out of coffee. This cup, this coffee cup, travel mug.
Oh,
This
really?
is 50% made of coffee beans.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, my wife brought a couple home, and you can like advertise on it. This one says Harvard University, that prestigious college in the U.S. And
Yeah,
this is 50% made of coffee, which is pretty cool.
yeah, that's sick.
Yeah,
That's good,
man.
man.
Well, yeah, that's all I've been doing, chilling home. I got a list of everything I'm invested in right now. You want to hear?
Yeah, let's go, bro.
All right, here we go. I'm going to read from the whiteboard. I got 9,100 XRP tokens, 10,004 XLM Stellar Lumen tokens, 10,000 XDC tokens, 20,597 Blocktopia tokens, 8,628 library credit tokens, LBC, 23,077 Paribus tokens, PBX, 82,273 legacy tokens, and last but not least, don't laugh, 129,247,086,331 Doge GF tokens.
So I'm still holding mine, bro. I
Because
think I've got the same.
when I cashed
Might as
out
well.
all that money, I left that in like 8 months ago.
Yeah, ain't worth fuck all. I see Matty G popping up every now and then. Just the other day, he deleted all his shit, didn't he? And he popped out of nowhere and he's like, "Yeah, Doge girlfriend to the stratosphere."
Because Doge GF started to pump a teeny bit.
Joke, bro. What
He,
joke?
he's a punk, bro. He's a
But
proper.
I've kissed goodbye to the money, so I will never draw it out unless it's worth. Just imagine that everything he said become true. And we all become billionaires off a Doge girlfriend, bro. I will go and fucking
Well,
kiss
the
that guy,
thing
bro.
is,
So
bro.
I'll say sorry, everything.
The thing is, bro. I made $4,000 or $5,000 off Doge GF in a week, like 6 8 months ago, whenever it was. And when I cashed all the money out, I left $100 worth in because why
Yeah,
not? Just leave 100
yeah, of
bucks
course.
in, and that's what that is. That's why I have
Yeah,
that.
it's pretty much what I've done, to be fair.
Yeah. And XR
But
Doge, I
yeah,
don't know about XR Doge. I don't have any of that, but I do like it. I like the project. It's pretty cool.
yeah,
I'm
man.
just a main. I'm all about the XRP and XLM. You know.
Yeah, same, bro. I've got XRP, XLM, XDC, Hedera Hashgraph, VeChain. Uh, obviously, I've got XR Doge, Doge Girlfriend. Got some Shiba Inu just sitting there. Some of that Doge Elon shit. Um, yeah, I've got a few shit coins. I like to put a little 1% of my portfolio into them every now and again.
Yeah, why not, man? Nothing wrong with it.
Yeah,
Why not?
some people like to stick their money on the roulette or on the horse racing or something. You know what I mean? I just think it's a much better investment if you just stick it on some shit coin, bro, isn't it?
Much better. Mm. All right, brother. Well, I appreciate you coming on, man. I won't hold you too long with your toothache and stuff. And hopefully we could do this
Trust
again
me, bro.
soon.
Yeah, definitely. Anytime, bro. Anytime.
Yo, everybody, Say bye to Dank Dave. We appreciate him coming on, man. Everyone, we always talk about you. We always pull you guys up if you're live.
Legend, legend.
Yes, man. Dank Dave, I appreciate you, bro. You have a good day.
Nice one, mate. See you soon.
Bye.
Sweet, bro.
There he is, the legend himself. The legend himself. Dank Dave. I like Dank Dave, man. I love those guys. I love their show. Always watched it. I remember when they first came on. Wait, what happened? Somebody leaving? Wait, what? I messed up with GF. Let 5K go bye-bye. Oh, man. Everyone's saying bye to Dank Dave. Yeah, bro. Every time I remember when those guys first came on, man, I was like, yo, these guys have something, man. I like this show. I don't know what it was, but I just did, man. I liked everything they were doing.
It's a pleasure to be here.
No, thank you for coming.
See,
He was
still to
taking
this
something.
day,
He went and took something. I don't care.
Yeah.
he asked us before. He goes, "Oh, can I go do a dab of Mandy?" And we was like, "What? No."
Can I do a dab of Mandy?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
was like,
before
"No."
I do it.
And
no.
then he chipped off to his car quick.
I
grabbed
was like, I need to go
something,
and grab
and
something.
he come back.
He done a dab of Mandy.
He did.
Definitely.
Chefs.
They always have some cool stuff going on, man. Love it. So let's take a look at BTC. Let's take a look at XR. Ooh, XRP, huh? DMP Killers, what is up, man? Animal 54, what is up, Animal? Let's go. Let's go. Hit that like button, everyone. Hit that like button. Let's look at LBC. Ooh, what is going on with LBC? Is that sideways? Look at that. 3 candles. Perfectly flat. Have not moved up or down. How is this possible? I don't know how that's possible. Blocktopia is chilling. XLM is chilling. And XRP. I want to see what is happening here. Because we have this massive little W here. And then the retrace continuation going on. Right off of the 13 EMA. Look at this. And we kind of got a little cross here. Wonder if that fool cashed out after he got his GF tattoo. John McTurnan, I wish the XR Doge would resurrect itself. I know, man. I know you and a lot of other people would hope that. And I hope it does, man. You never know. You never know. It's a neat little project, man. It's pretty cool. It's got a lot of stuff behind it. So you never know. So not only do we have that W there, not only do we have this right here, with the retrace continuation look going on, but we have this massive W here inside of another massive one. So I'd like to see something happen here. Imagine if this thing just takes off up to the 92 to 95 or even $5 to $12 range. I'd like to see something happen here. I don't know about you guys. I want to check the asset overview. Okay. I'm definitely up money here, that's for sure. Blocktopia is chilling still. XLM. V-shape recovery. Right back into the mix. Look at that. Drop, V-shape recovery. This thing's got to be ready to blast off. It could be tonight, ladies and gentlemen. It is Sunday night, which you know what that means. It's Monday in Australia, Tokyo, Hong Kong. It is Monday morning, which means it's a work week. It's a business week for cryptocurrency, banks, stock markets. As you know, it does affect. Mondays through Fridays do affect. Well, Monday through Thursday, because it's always the next day in those parts of the world. Let's see what's going on with BTC. All right, who else is in the YouTube world? Who else is in the YouTube world talking about stuff? 3 minutes ago.
Today for the Bitcoin price, and honestly guys, I am almost afraid to tell you right now. The next move for Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's gonna be a big one. I wanna talk about that. I wanna talk about my price.
Look at the Burj Khalifa in the background. That is the tallest building in the world.
Targets, my predictions for Bitcoin and for Ethereum, my multi-million US dollar trades I am having still open, what my price targets are, and what my game plan trading wise is right now for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Guys, if you click this video today, you are in for a treat. Smash up the like button. Let's hit 10,000 likes on that video. Go down below, press it right now. It takes a second out of your day, but it puts a smile on my face. So thank you very much for that. And now let's talk about it, because I want to go straight into it. Yes, I am going to talk about my Bitcoin and Ethereum trade, my multi-million dollar trades. We are doing that. I wanted to talk about this chart here, and this chart and the, let me go back, this chart and the Ethereum chart, they are indicating something crazy right now. And honestly, I was posting just like almost a month ago, I have a limit order at 38.4. I gave you this signal on my Crypto Twitter channel. And of course, you know what happened afterwards. We are up 25% already, right? I am going to continue updating you on these things. But the most important, exactly at the 44,000 US dollar area, the area I mentioned earlier to be the most likely support for Bitcoin, and which I predict the Bitcoin price to be bouncing from. Well, we got the bounce so far. The last confirmation for Bitcoin, which is actually coming in at 48,200 US dollars, has not hit yet. The moment we close the daily candle above, I'm almost certain that Bitcoin is gonna hit my bullish price target of 56,000 US dollars unless this is not happening. Yes, until this is not happening, I'm not gonna scale it higher. My trade is already at a 2 million US dollar volume, 124,000 US dollars in a profit, as you can see it right here. Make a screenshot if you want, but I'm keeping it. I'm waiting for this. Of course, until we are breaking above this very important rejection point at 48,000, then my price target will be going over to 56,000. But now guys, this is my Ethereum trade. This trade is now plus minus zero, $600 in a loss, like plus minus zero at a $300,000 trade. But you might ask yourself, why did you open this one? Let me show you exactly why I opened it is. Because on the Bitcoin chart, it's not that obvious. Even if you are only interested in Bitcoin, you should stick around here, because Ethereum is printing right now the most interesting pattern I've seen in ages. Not only that, on the daily candles, which is a powerful time frame, we are having this W breakout. No, we broke above the neckline, we went down, and we confirmed the previous resistance, which is now a new support, and we broke above the previous rejection point. So as long as Ethereum is staying above the previous rejection point, I remain bullish for Bitcoin. More importantly, as long as we are staying above the neckline at approximately 3,270 US dollars, I am personally looking out for, and now sit down guys, for a price target of 4,947 US dollars, which is in alignment with the Fibonacci extension level with the previous all-time high. So now let me consolidate this for you, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, Ethereum is more likely than not, let me phrase it like this, eyeing the previous all-time high at 4,947 US dollars. NFTs are going crazy, you know. I was posting earlier that I'm holding 92 Clonex, all the airdrops, Bored Apes, CryptoPunks, and everything basically. I never sold an NFT. I'm still holding on them. I'm still holding all of them. Make sure you go down below, you leave your favorite NFTs and altcoins down below in the comment section. I will make sure that I can update you about that. Right now, let's focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum, because what they are claiming is potentially reaching the new all-time highs. Be careful, don't go too crazy right now, and make sure you only go in after the confirmation and based upon your own research. Now let's talk about this here, because man, the realized cap is giving us insane signals. So let's go back in time. Let's use the time machine. In the last bear market 2018, you saw realized cap very, very low. Whenever you can see this this purple chart on the low, on the negatives, that's buy indications, right? I mean, you get a few false ones, but as long as we are in these low areas, plus minus something, that's usually when you have the buy area, the buy zone, where you can buy and you know, hey, 1-2 years I'm gonna be profitable, right? And maybe you're lucky you're even buying the bear market low. You got the same thing at the Black Thursday event where we went negative again. The moment we went negative, actually, well, that was at $3,000. Afterwards, we went into this massive bull run towards the upside. Then, when we hit just before the Elon Musk purchase in 2021, right there on the downside, this area here, that was the moment we should have bought again. Right now, I told you, this is the buying zone. We are entering the buying zone right now. Potentially, and guys, don't go and make your own research, invest at your own risk. But we went into these negative areas again, indicating, hey, potentially, we are gonna go on a rocket ship here. Of course, be careful, guys, but this is the first indication. And now let's look at this one. Guys, this is the buy-sell ratio of taker fees, of taker orders. So, of course, the higher the taker-maker ratio is, between the taker buy-sell ratio is, the more we are in the buy zone. So the higher it is, the lower the price, right? When now we are in the hodl zone and we are far away from the sell zone. So me personally, even if I was a position trader on my long-term holding portfolio, I would not touch my portfolio. I would not touch my specific portfolio right now if I were that. But of course, I'm a long-term holder. I'm not touching my Bitcoin no matter what happens.
I agree. I'm on the same page. I am Babe Jade. Sorry, who's the guest? Oh, you are late to the show. The guest was Dank Dave.
A position trader on my long-term holding portfolio, I would not touch my portfolio. I would not touch my specific portfolio right now if I were
The guest
but of
was
course,
Dank
I'm a
Dave.
long-term holder. I'm not touching my Bitcoin.
But I can't do
no matter what
anything. It won't let me do anything. Page. I am Babe Jade. It won't let me scroll back. I don't know why, but it won't let me scroll back. It was Dank Dave. We had Dank Dave on the show. Let's see. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. AR, are these guys that give signals liable? I would assume that they're not. Just got some fried chicken dumplings and a crack open another. Okay, let's go, bro. Algorand fortune cookie. It has Algorand again, and the fortune is successful soon surface. 11, 15, 34, 30. Okay. Well, let's take a look at Algo then real quick. Let's see what these numbers mean. Do we have any 11s? Do we have any 15s or 34s? Uh, 35, 43, 47. Let's see. What if we add them all together? That's 26. That's 56. That's 60. That's 95. That's 138. 138. 178. 185. 185. Is 185 here? Oh, 185. Could that be where it's going? 185. And then, of course, 185 is 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 5 is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. So that the number would be 5. Let's draw a star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. So up is the last movement on the 5. There's a bottom of a star. There's another bottom of a star. So many things we could take out of that. You guys are crazy. What's wrong with you guys? I can't believe you're seeing algo in a Chinese fortune cookie either. That's insane. Walton Chain? Walton Chain. Damon, what is up, man? How have you been, bro? Walton Chain. 56 cents. What is this? It's building an ecosystem that melds blockchain, RFID technology, Internet of Things, develops, produces transaction ID, reading RFID. Okay. And it's on KuCoin. WTC. Okay. Walton Chain is on KuCoin. Let's pull up KuCoin. WTC. It says it was on KuCoin. Here's waltonchain.org. Here's their website. Okay, I definitely can't read that. But look, it says it's on WTC/BTC. Okay. Okay. Why does it go away? I don't know. It says it's on here, but then I can't find it. Ball and chain, vector space. That's an interesting, well-connected team. Okay. I'll have to look into that, ladies and gentlemen. I will have to look into that one. All right. Well, tonight could be a crazy night. Tonight could be a crazy night. Crypto is super bullish. Super bullish. The worst crypto advice to avoid?
Welcome to They're both really bad advice. And I don't mean they're exact opposites. What I mean by is, one of these pieces in Miami, all like an idiot. 2017 is when I really went all in. And the point is, looking back on what I knew then compared to what I know now, it really is insane to think about the knowledge gap there, okay? So we saw the same thing with Thorchain. You've got to really look deeper than just, oh, price it down, let me go buy. You have to really think through that.
I agree. Of course you have to look at more than just that. Crypto Addy. Let's see what Crypto Addy's talking about.
We're in agreement with that. Yeah. I do not promote
Lux.
the SEC.
Lux, what is up, bro? Hey, look at all these people popping in. Damon, Lux. Let's go, man. Yes. DMP. Animal 54. Let's go.
Suing anybody individually. I do not promote them going after any other tokens. The SEC is the enemy. Plain and simple from where I stand for it, And so there are going to be members in the XRP community who are going to go down it's XRP versus ETH. I have a t-shirt. You're going to see me at Bitcoin Miami that says Crypto Maximalist. I have Bitcoin and ETH and XRP on the shirt. We'll see if I'm celebrated or stoned.
Hey, everybody. It's Eddie from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update from Japan, and that was Attorney John Deaton. He appeared on BitBoy's channel giving so many facts to the actions that have been taken by the SEC in the case against Ripple that it appears to be much more than a conspiracy theory. I'm really glad that he had the 35 minutes to talk to an audience that may not follow the details on a day-to-day basis. BitBoy makes the point that this should be called SEC Gate, not ETH Gate, because he says that we should be focusing on the SEC, not Ethereum. Well, he's got a point. Ethereum is just code, and it is really the people surrounding this digital asset that should be under the microscope, right? Well, the 35 minutes is worth watching, and I'm just really happy that he was given so much time on the channel to speak out, because I think BitBoy does have an audience that doesn't necessarily cross over and listen to the XRP community on a day-to-day basis. Well, we're going to look at the market today because, yeah, it's looking pretty good. We're also going to take a look at something I found for you on the company Ripple and how that is correlated to the digital asset XRP. The Bank of Japan, also a big keynote coming from a fintech summit. At the top 100 by market cap. It's really looking beautiful because the alts are starting to pop. The total global market cap is at 2.17 trillion, up 4.5%. Yeah, the market just is continuing to move upward, and we've got alts that are really making some significant moves. Now, don't be scared by looking at this ZIL and waves. They're down a touch. They've had some recent gains that have just been unbelievably crazy. Waves was up 60.
Look at AR. There he is. I forgot I muted my mic. There's AR.
1% on the 7-day, 180. Super rare.
Rápidos y transparentes en múltiples redes, desde la tradicional Swift hasta GPA y SwiftGo, además de Ripple, Visa B2B y Visa Direct, Mastercard Send y muchas más.
That short clip in Spanish was from the Ripple partner Volante, and it was a video that was uploaded today, April 1st, 2022, in regards to the services they offer for cross-border Swift GPI, Ripple, Visa B2B, Visa Direct, and others are rapidly gaining.
I like this right here. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. We all know Volante is a Ripple partner. Banks must improve their cross-border services. Next-generation cross-border mechanisms, Swift, GPI, Ripple, Visa, B2B, Visa Direct, and others are rapidly gaining traction. If banks do not modernize their legacy services, competitors will close the gap. 100% true. 100% true. They will close that gap quick. All right, let's check out Paribus again. I want to check out Paribus It's holding. Okay, it's holding. Bitcoin 46.5, XRP 84. We got maybe 5-6 more hours until we see what is going to actually happen. I'm excited about that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate all of you for hanging out, and hopefully I'll see you guys in tonight's live stream. I'm Jada Blur, and until next time, we'll put out some more videos.
I got zeroed out my membrane, you keep calling me insane. Every single day more XRP is what I obtain. No more cash, no more cars, only QR codes. No more proof of work, we running validated nodes. This is the life that I chose. They look at the cons, I look at the pros. I'm always bullish in the shows. Now you wanna ask about XRP, I am not telling. Now you want some of my XRP, I am not selling, it's not for sale. Honestly, I just wish you well, cause I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. XRP taking the lead, come equipped with institutional speed. XRP giving the go to proceed, don't listen to FUD, I know they mislead. Try to tell them but I know they don't care. ODL, no nothing compared. Back in the day I was willing to share, now I don't have any left to spare. Source some liquidity on demand, try to tell them but they don't understand. Holding my ledger right here in my hand, see the signs it was already planned. Digital economy, it's already here. I'm talking about the moon, they think I majored in astrology. Haters talking trash, I think they majored in garbology. Focus on my future, so I invest in technology. Number one is where we ranking. Come on. And if you don't have XRP, then I do not know what you thinking. This the time, this the year, this the place to be. Hold them strong all day long, doing it faithfully. Keep their